Bro, get ready to rock with the dashing 2025 Volvo XC60 Sytoxcar. This SUV is not just an ordinary car. This is a combination of elegance and performance that makes your heart immediately want to drive. Design that will make your jaw drop. First of all, let's discuss the design. This XC60 Sytoxcar is really eye-catching. The large front grille and striking Volvo emblem make you immediately realize that this car has class. Headlamps with advanced LED technology in the shape of Volvo's Thor's hammer add a futuristic and fierce impression. The body is aerodynamic with smooth curves, making this SUV not only beautiful, but also aerodynamically efficient. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the XC60 Sytoxcar keeps secrets that will make you excited. Equipped with a 400 horsepower hybrid engine, this SUV is ready to cruise the roads smoothly. The 2.0L turbocharged petrol engine is combined with an electric motor, producing instant torque that makes for fast acceleration without much drama. With an AWD all-wheel drive system, this car can be relied on in all road conditions, from smooth asphalt to light off-road terrain. Advanced technology. Volvo doesn't play around when it comes to technology, bro. The XC60 Sytoxcar is equipped with a super sophisticated infotainment system, a responsive 12.3-inch touchscreen, supported by Volvo's latest Genesis Connect system. Makes it easy for you to access navigation, music, and other features. There are also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto features for those of you who can't leave your smartphone. Security above all. If we talk about Volvo, it wouldn't be complete without discussing its safety features. The XC60 Sytoxcar is equipped with the Volvo Safety Cage, a system that protects passengers with a strong frame and crumple zones that absorb impact energy. There is also a pilot assist feature, which basically gives you the feeling of semi-autonomous driving, making long trips more comfortable and safe. Luxurious and comfortable interior. Entering the cabin, you will be treated to a luxurious and comfortable interior. Nappa leather seats with an ergonomic design make long journeys pain-free. A 4-zone air conditioning system ensures all passengers get the right temperature. There is also a panoramic sunroof, which makes the cabin feel more spacious and brighter. The 2025 Volvo XC60 Sytoxcar is not just a vehicle, but a loyal partner for all your activities. From stunning design, fierce performance, advanced technology, to powerful safety features, everything is combined in one perfect SUV package. So, ready to rock the boat with the XC60 Sytoxcar? Let's roll!